So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about your contact forms and then also a chat feature if that's something you want to add to your site. So let me go ahead and go into my contact page. So most of my templates are going to include this contact form. So this is something that you can go through and you can edit this, you can add whatever details you want to collect from people. Now, you do need to have an upgraded site in order to add multiple fields. I think you can do 6 or something with the free account, so just keep that in mind. So the things you wanna keep in mind here are, the add new field. So this is where you can come in and you can see here all of these basic fields, advanced fields, contact fields, so you can add those as needed. And then another thing I wanna point out, is in your form settings here, is first of all, you might want to name this if you've got more than one contact form on your site. This submit message. So a lot of these sites, I've set them up to go to a site page or lightbox. So they're going to go to a thank you page. I think that looks a little nicer. So those are a few things to keep in mind. And then also in your actual fields here, you can come through here. Again, I've designed these so they match most of the, match the site, but you can come through here and edit those fields as well and make this work how you need it to work for your business. So I wanted to show you that. And then the next thing I want to show you is this chat button. So if you don't have this on your site, first of all, if you do have it on your site and you don't want it, you can simply click on it or and backspace, or you can delete it and get rid of it. So I'm going to show you actually how to add it. I actually had it already on this site, but I'm going to pretend like I didn't. So we're going to go to the apps market and I'm going to type in Wix chat. Like I said, I did have this on the site and I took it off. So yours will just say add. I'm going to go ahead and add again. And then that's going to bring up that little chat. So the only thing you really kind of need to know is obviously if someone messages you on your site, then you're going to get a notification. Make sure you have those set up in your dashboard. You'll get a notification on your phone. If you're not available, then it'll just come to you as an email. So you can come through here and set up that Wix chat however you want, make it the text and the colors and everything. Um, so you can come through here and see how it looks, the design, the text. So you can come through here and customize that again to fit to your site. If you don't like that and it's on your site, again, you can just come through here and delete that.